Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to find downloads on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open Safari. Now from here, just download any file. For an example, I will open this website and from here, I will download this file. Just tap on download. Now once you download a file on your Safari web browser, a small icon will appear on your search bar. Now just tap on the download icon in your search bar. And from here, you will find the download section in your Safari web browser. Just tap on downloads. And from here, you will find the downloaded files in the download section of your Safari web browser. Now just tap on the search icon in front of the downloaded file to open the file in the Files app. Just like that. As you can see, we have successfully opened the downloaded file in the download section in our Files app. Just like that. But if you want to open the download section from the Files app on your iPhone, first of all, just open the Files app. Now just tap on Browse at the bottom of the screen. And from here, you will find the Downloads folder on your iPhone. Just like that. But if you're using Google Chrome, the downloaded files from the Google Chrome will not appear in this Downloads folder. Now to view the downloaded files from Google Chrome, just swipe from the left side and go back. Now from here, just tap on my iPhone. And from here, you will find the folder for the download section of your Google Chrome. If you open this folder, you will find all the files which you have downloaded from Google Chrome. And also, if you open Google Chrome on your iPhone, from here, just tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner on the screen. And from here, just tap on Downloads. And you will open the Downloads folder from the Chrome web browser on your iPhone. Just like that. And this is how you can find downloads on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.